Hello guys, Waylohr here. Welcome to my channel. If you ever been stuck on the technical problem, struggled to fix a broken part, or spent hours trying to make the design work, you're exactly in the right place. My name is Waylohr. This is a dedicated how-to channel designed to solve your real-world problems. I create step-by-step guides, practical tutorials, and smart engineering solutions that save your time and eliminate the guesswork. No fluff, no endless talking, just clear, actionable answers for you. Technical problems are universal and so are the solutions. That's why this channel is built as a global multi-language platform, but I am the only one author and creator on this channel. This guide is accessible to creators and makers all over in the world. If you want to stop struggling with the technical issues and start finding the right solutions, hit that subscribe button, use the search bar on my channel, and let's go to work. Welcome aboard. Thanks for watching.